dear students, welcome to the online class of English. Students, in last session we started a new chapter, chapter number 7 of First Flight. And the name of chapter is Glimpses of India. And we were studying part 1 of this chapter. And the name of this part is A Baker from Goa, written by Lucio Rodriguez. This chapter is a pen portrait of Goan bakers. Actually, student, when Portuguese came to India at that time in Goa, bread making was a profitable and very good business which is liked by many people, and many people were involved in this business. And the bread which was used to make different kind of dishes was liked and loved by people. Even ceremonies and functions were considered incomplete without bread. And the writer has given a great description about the importance of bread making and of the people that who were involved in this business. Even Portuguese have left India a long back. Still today, the importance of bread and bread bakers can be seen today in Goa. So we have seen as some points in last session in which we read as bread making in Goa, which is going on a trend and it is liked by many people, and people who are making different dishes with bread. It is going on generation to generation. It has passed from generation to generation, and now their ancestors were doing this work. Now their followers are also accepting this business, and it is going on with a good profit. And author was also recalling those days, his childhood days, when lot of children, then as they come to know about the arrival of bread baker, then as they run to get these breads. So even without brushing their teeth, they were running towards the bread baker and they were getting this. And we also read about the delivering the loaves, then how delivery of the loaves of bread was going on. As a bread baker came to the door as twice, once in the morning and next time at last when he was going back to his home. So when he came, he made a third, means sound with his bamboo stick. So it was a signal of his coming. So as it came early in the morning, so it wished the lady of the house and called and delivered these breads to that lady. And even children, when children came to know the arrival of bread baker, then they start running without brushing their teeth. They took these breads and they tasted and enjoyed it with tea. So here a beautiful description has given by author that as he is recalling his childhood days when he was enjoying these breads in Goa. So students, these some points we discussed already. Now today we will continue. But before continuing the explanation of other points, let's have a look on some hard words which we will cover in our today's explanation. Now first word is vanished, means died. Furnace, hearth. Third, other and heavy sound. Heralding, announcing. Staff, stick. Feast, party. Now students, let's see these other points, some new points and their explanation. So students, already we have discussed then as author was also recalling his childhood days and how this bread making profitable business was going on, and how author was also enjoying these breads. He said that as we have read and we have discussed already, then as bread bakers, these bread sellers were coming twice in a day, and the jingling thud of these bamboo of these bread bakers which they carried, it woke them up in the morning, and they run to meet and greet bread maker, and they run for getting the bread bangles, which was a sweet kind of bread which was liked by children a lot, and they run towards bread seller to get these, and they enjoyed it with tea. So it means it was the most lovable and we can say that favorite dish made by bread, which was known as bread bangles. It was mostly liked by children, and delivery of loaves was going on by baker. As baker come and it delivered these breads to lady of the house by calling and by wishing her. And children also, children who were not able to get, but they surrounded the bread sellers and they wanted to get it at any rate. Students, now let's see importance of bread in traditional ceremonies. And these breads and dishes made by bread, they were not only just liked by children, even they were important for ceremonies and for functions also. The various kinds of bread were very important for all occasions. No marriage was complete until and unless the traditional ball was served. Actually, ball was a name of a dish which was made with bread, and it was made on special occasions or ceremonies. The lady of the house, on the occasion of her daughter's engagement, would prepare sandwiches. And the lady, it means if a girl's engagement would be there, so her mother prepared a dish with bread, and that was known as sandwich. So it was a great dish which was prepared and considered special on these special occasions, and people prepared for Christmas a dish with bread, and that was known as bolinas, and it was a special dish prepared on Christmas and other festivals. So bol and bolinas, these were the varieties of bread which were prepared on special occasions to make these functions special. So as people were giving special importance to bread and dishes made by bread on either ceremonies would be there or festivals can be there. So bread was playing a main role in each and every function. And now baker's dress. Now baker was also coming in a usual dress which was known as kabai. Actually it was a long frock reaching down to the knees, or a shirt and a trouser. So a long dress he was wearing, and he was coming to sell breads. And sometime it was a shirt and a half pant was there. Even today, if anyone dares to go out in the streets without wearing half pant, so it means now today as people use capris like half pant, so that person, so in the same way at that time these bread sellers were wearing a long cloak reaching down to the knees, or then shirt and with a short pant. And in this dress they came to sell breads, and these bread sellers were known as by the name pader. Bread bakers were known by, and they were referred as pader. So bread as well as bread dishes as well as bread makers were playing, and even today they are playing a special role in Goa. And it's a great profession there. The bakers, as it was going on at that time when Portuguese were there, now Portuguese are not there. Still this business is going on the top. And even bakers were making a good profit by this business. How? As the bakers usually collected his bill at the end of the month. The whole month they delivered bread to housekeeper, or we can say then lady of the house, as maid of that house or we can say then lady of that house, they call a particular lady and then delivered these breads to her. And now this delivery was going on for the whole month, and at the end of the month they were collecting bills and all the accounts they were writing on a wall in the premises with a pencil. So it was a profitable business and profitable profession during those days, because Portuguese were lovers of fresh baked loaves. The bakers, his family members and his servants looked prosperous and happy. So as Portuguese were fond of and loved breads very much, so it became popular and even other people started using and taking this, and this taste of bread was maintained and developed among people. And after going of Portuguese, even people were continuing their professions and their love for bread. So students, in this session we have seen and we have completed this part 1 of Glimpses of India, part 1, that is a baker from Goa. So through this chapter we have seen a description about the bakers of Goa, as they are Goan people and they are famous for bread making, and they are making different dishes by bread. As we have seen, then they were preparing different dishes as ball on special occasions, bolinas, as they were preparing bolinas on Christmas, and sandwiches on engagement of girls. So by making different dishes, they were using breads in different ways, as well as people were liking it a lot. So students, this chapter has completed. I hope you have understood. Still if any doubt is there, so ask me. You are always welcome to ask and to clear your doubts. Thank you very much.